let's look at graphing a line using a point and a slope. So we want to graph the line passing through the point of -2, -3, and it has a slope of 4/3. So go ahead and figure out what your point is. -2, 3, or -2, -3, 1, 2, and then go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Now remember, we have a slope of 4/3, which is a rise over run. So 4/3 equals 4 rise, and then divided by 3 run. So let's go ahead and rise 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll go ahead and run 3. 1, 2, 3. And then go ahead and connect your points. And the reason we're going up 4 and then over to the right 3 is because these were positive numbers. If they were negative numbers, then you would go in the direction accordingly.